So I'm gonna change the struts for this 2012. This is the part number. Okay. So with this one here, it's really easy to remove it. And some here, let's take screwdriver and remove it. Gonna do the same thing here. Okay, so we got a new one here. And I stick it like that. Okay. And then show you. I'm gonna lift the hood up and stick it like that. Okay. So only with one it works fine now. Okay, so for the other one, do the same thing. Careful. This one here. So get the new one. Here. And then here. Okay. Alright, so it's working fine now, see? Good. So open and it's working fine. Alright.